Hi guys, welcome to Nouri's Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Sri Lankan rolls. The ingredients we need are chicken 250 gram, onion big 1, potato medium size 2, chili 2, some curry leaves, then chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black pepper half tablespoon and some salt to taste. Cut all of this. For chicken, add some turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add oil to the pressure cooker. Add the chicken. Mix them well. Add some water, how much you need. After the chicken get cooked, add the potatoes to the pressure cooker. Again keep it cooked and add some water. After the potato also get cooked, close the pressure cooker and again cook and add the onions. Curry leaves, chilies, mix them well. Add chili powder 1 tablespoon. We used to put some spicy as for Sri Lankan rolls. If you need low spicy, then you add how much you want. Black pepper half tablespoon. Mix them well. After that, when you keep in the pressure cooker for 3 whistles, then you get this curry. We are done with the curry for the rolls. Then we need egg, 3 cups of flour, some water for the batter. Add the egg in the grinder. Pour some water, a little bit. Then add the flour. Add little by little, then add the water so it mix well, okay? Then add the water. Again flour, then again water. When you grind it, you get this liquid, batter liquid. So add them some salt for the and again grind it. So here we get a liquid state for the pancake we making. So we are doing the pancake which we make like a dosa, make a round shape. After getting like this, we take from the pan. The curry we made, we put it in the center of it and check how to fold it. Fold the way we are showing in the video. We have biscuit powder, the batter liquid and the rolls we have made. We take a roll and put it in the batter and we rotate and mix and apply it to the rolls. Then we put it in the biscuit powder and we again do the same way how we did for the batter. The batter liquid we did, take that little bit, add some water so it become little bit liquid so we can dip it. After that we add in the biscuit powder as we showed in the video. Fry it in a deep oil, heat oil. Wait until it become golden color so it looks yummy, and the color looks really nice when it is gold color. See, now it's really nice gold color. Put it in a tissue paper so the oil gets off. See the crispiness, it looks really nice. See, our Sri Lankan rolls is ready to eat. It looks really yummy. You could keep ketchup, tomato ketchups to dip and eat, so it will be more tasty. Hope you like our video. Do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.